Hello and welcome back to World War II history and reenacting. As some of you probably already know, I'm currently in the process of restoring an original German field kitchen from World War II. Please check out my other videos on the field kitchen if you haven't already. On the table there are two boxes containing some of the last missing pieces in this restoration puzzle. Please join me and let's unbox some history. This box contains some quite rare and essential parts of the field kitchen: the hitch and the main brake assembly, as can be seen on Scott Thompson's field kitchen in his book Gulaschkanone. This box contains a field kitchen accessory that is very hard to come by these days. A big thanks to Kolpe Emig for the fantastic customer service, great packing and fast shipping. A first-rate dealer, please check them out. This is known as the Fleischhebel or meat lifter, a piece of equipment issued with all field kitchens. It was primarily used to fish out large pieces of meat from the large food kettle. There were two variants of the Fleischhebel. Although exactly the same in appearance, the length of the Fleischhebel for the small field kitchen was shorter, measuring in at 600 millimeters, whilst the one for the large field kitchen was 690 millimeters long. Here is an original photograph from the book Gulaschkanone, showing the Fleischhebel laying across the coffee kettle. This one is for the large field kitchen, and it's dated 1942. If you are interested to learn more about the German field kitchen, please check out the book Gulaschkanone by Scott Thompson. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, auf Wiedersehen.